Hello, my name is John Lamanna, and I'm going to show you how to use the Accuvin powder SO2 tube test. So what I have here first is a tube with a green cap, and I'm following the directions of pouring in the liquid solution in the black cap tube, transferring that over. And as directed, putting the green cap back on, and I'm going to shake it for about 1 minute before moving on. Okay, so after letting the solution dissolve for a minute, you're ready to take a sample and add it in. So I'm going to use the sampler provided to obtain some of my cab salve. I'm going to wipe off any excess as directed before putting it into the tube. I'm going to put the green cap back on now after putting the sample in the sampler, and I'm going to shake it a couple times before letting it sit for 5 minutes to do the reading. Okay, after 5 minutes has passed, you're ready to check where the free SO2 is based on the color guide here, and it was determined that we're at about a 3 with this sample of cab salve. So included with the Accuvin kit is their formula for figuring out how much K-meta you actually need to add. So using that formula, I previously figured out using Accuvin that the pH was about 3.3. And let's say I'm desiring a free SO2 level of about 20, and my current level is at about a 3. Using the formula that they have up here, 20 minus the 3 gives you 17 times 6 gallons, which is what I have currently in the carboy. Gives me 102. I divide that by the 0.152 here, and that ends up giving me an estimate of about 671 milligrams of K-meta to add, or just a little less than 1/8 of a teaspoon. So we have some other calculations that we've learned in class, so you may want to double check some formulas for figuring out the level of SO2, as well as recommendations for K-meta and for free sulfur dioxide. But for now, that's how to use the Accuvin Free SO2 kit. Thanks for watching.